The Master Orator competitions is one of the contests which emphasizes the need of developing good speaking skills. In fact, it's not just a competition but also an extraordinary platform for the students to showcase their oratory skills. I have had a wonderful experience being a part of this. It is the first time that I have taken part and I feel myself lucky enough to be a part of it. It was both an exciting and a nervous feeling. The competition helps us to develop the ability of thinking creatively, thinking critically and moreover to think quickly on food. It develops the ability of good vocabulary and the application of concept skill. Lastly, I would like to thank our institutions for conducting such competitions, helping the students to develop their speaking abilities. Thank you.